Hey, it's Ben. I've got this patch bundle. The company sent this to me to show you, so let's take a look. Okay, so this is a 20-piece set of patches. These are embroidered patches that they come with a Velcro backing. So the backing you can affix to bags, backpacks, vests, military uniforms, your tactical gear, anything like that. And then the patches can attach with the Velcro. So there's a lot of different designs here. They're well made. There's just a lot of options here to choose from, whatever suits your taste and your personality, whatever you want to have on display. And there's a good variety here. Now, you do not have to use the backing that comes with this if you already have Velcro strips or anything like that already on your bag or whatever. You can just affix these to the existing Velcro, or you can just use your own. This does not come with any sort of adhesive or anything like that, so you need to provide that yourself. It does come with just the patches and the backing. What you see here is the complete collection. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.